It's officially spooky season, and there is nothing scarier than dealing with lower back pain. So I want you to stick around for this video because I'm gonna help you get rid of some of that back pain. We're gonna do 3 movements, a hip flexor / hamstring stretch, followed by a glute bridge, and then finally a cat-cow. And that is it, all right? So let's get into that first movement. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get into a half kneeling position, right? So half kneeling just like so. From this position, what I want you to do is you're going to lean forward and then pull your chest back. Okay, so from a different angle, you're going to lean forward and pull your chest back. Now I feel a big stretch on the leg that's down, okay? And we're gonna hold that for 30 seconds. So get into that half kneeling, lean forward, pull the chest back, hold for 30. Now as you're doing this, if you need a pad under that down knee, by all means, put a pad, put a towel, put something. Make this as comfortable as you possibly can. The next big thing is you want to keep that chest pulled back. That allows for a big, deep stretch. Okay, just a few more seconds. Keep on holding. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come on back. Now, like I said, it's a hamstring hip flexor stretch. You're going to kick that foot out in front of you, and you're going to push your butt back and try to straighten that leg out as much as you can. Again, you're going to push that butt back, straighten that leg out, and go for that stretch. 3, 2, 1, go. Holding this position. Now, if you can, try to flatten that foot, and that just adds a nice stretch onto the top of the shin. I'm more prioritizing my hamstring, so I don't really care that my foot is up right now, okay? This is all about right now the hamstring. Just a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Come on up. And we're going to switch sides. I'm having us hold this for 30 seconds, by the way. So, half kneeling, push forward, pull the chest back, and 30 seconds is on the clock. Again, throw a pad under that knee if you need to. It's not necessary. Big goal is stretch down the front of the leg that is down. I'm just going to keep on holding. Make sure that you're breathing as you're doing this. For whatever reason, a lot of people don't breathe when they're doing this. Just a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Come on back. Kick that foot forward. Push your hips back. Straighten that leg out. And 30 seconds is on the clock. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, I want you to tell me, what is your favorite scary movie to watch during Halloween? For me, it truly is Scream. Scream is one of my favorite scary movie sagas of all time. Just a few more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Come on up. Now the next movement, well actually, hold on, let me take a step back. If that felt good, go ahead, pause this video, do it again, okay? 2 sets is perfectly fine. If you're gonna do it again, hold it for 30 seconds and make sure that you're going for those specific stretches, all right? The next one now we are going to do is lying on our back. It's just gonna be a classic glute bridge. So we just stretched out the hip flexors. The opposing muscle group is the glutes. We wanna strengthen those glutes. It might sound weird, but the glutes definitely help out with lower back pain. What you're gonna do, lying on your back, knees should be bent to about a 45, give or take. You're gonna drive your hips up as high as you can. You're gonna drive your knees out to the side. Not super far, just enough that you can feel it right onto the sides of your glutes. Okay, so drive the hips up, push the knees out just a little bit, and 30 seconds is on the clock. You're gonna hold this position. Now again, when you're doing this, make sure you're breathing. Keep those hips up as high as you can. Try to drive through your heels and not your toes. Got a few more seconds. Keep on holding. And 3, 2, 1. Come on down. There we go. We're We're gonna move on to the last movement, the cat-cow. Again, like I said with the first movement, if you want, you can do that one again. Just pause the video, make sure that you're holding and getting all the things that I mentioned during that set. For cat-cow, we're gonna focus on the lower back, okay? So you're gonna be hands and knees. Now this might be a little bit different than what you've seen in the past. It has nothing to do with your shoulders. We're really focusing in on just that lower back moving. So as I do this, I'm thinking about arching my lower back. I'm trying to untuck my pelvis, and then I'm gonna squeeze my abs as tight as I can and try to tuck my pelvis under my torso, and then untuck and tuck. All right, that is it. We're gonna do 5 of those, okay? We're gonna do 5 tucks, 5 untucks, and that's it. All right, hop into position, hands and knees. I want us to start with the tucking. So you're going to try to squeeze your abs as hard as you can. You're really squeezing, and you're going to untuck. I want you to feel your lower back start to round. I want you to feel some burn in those lower back muscles. And we're going to tuck. Try to bring that pelvis under your torso. Squeeze those abs as hard as you can. And untuck. Try to arch that lower back. Really squeezing. Everything should happen right here. This is the one spot. And tuck. As tight as you possibly can. And untuck. Squeeze. It should almost feel like there's a big stretch in the abs as well when you're doing this. 2 more. Tuck. As tight as you can. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Untuck. 1 more in both directions. Tuck. Squeeze those abs. And untuck. Get a nice big stretch in the abs. And take a break. And that is it. Okay, so that is everything that I got for you. For next week, if you have a suggestion on what you want to see, let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know what is your favorite scary movie. And then I will see you next week.